Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Happy that you're here and happy that you clicked on this video. This is my channel for young women going through the same phase of life as I am, but also we cover all kinds of stuff on this channel. So today I'm going to give you a Cimzia update. I know a couple months ago we talked about me getting on Cimzia for my rheumatoid arthritis, which is the reason I changed to Cimzia from methotrexate was because I'm a young woman, I'm 29, I'd like to conceive and have a baby. Methotrexate is a big no-no for trying to conceive. So went through the approval process. That was difficult, took several months for insurance to approve this. And started Cimzia in April of this year. So it is now the end of August. So I have been on it for about 5 months. And let me just say that it has been interesting. It has been an adjustment. But I'll say overall, it has been very positive. So I started Cimzia. I have some additional videos on my channel about that process, about actually injecting Cimzia, how that went for the first time, the side effects that I had. I'm happy to say that very, very minimal side effects have occurred from taking Cimzia. The process of receiving the medication is super easy. It comes right to my front door, refrigerated, no problem whatsoever. The specialty pharmacy calls me, it comes in, and everything's been fabulous there. I have had very minimal side effects. And I have had no real RA flare-ups since Cimzia started, which is what I was a little concerned about. Recently, I have been feeling some pain in my hands, and I guess I would call it like a nerve pain kind of in my arms and my hands, primarily at night. And I have noticed that, but however, it's few and far between, and it's not that big of a deal. However, I am going to keep an eye on that and talk to my doctor if it continues and becomes more regular. That is something that I do struggle with RA. I struggle with that on methotrexate as well. Other than that, no flare-ups at all, no joint inflammation, no issues with anything. And I am so blessed to report that it's been 5 months and I'm doing really well, which is also very important for women that want to conceive and just having like low inflammation with their autoimmune condition during that process. So the Cimzia injection process is painful for me. I have heard reviews that it's not painful for some. It is extremely painful for me. And it never got easier. It's still painful every week. At first, I had a lot of anxiety about it, especially after that first shot when I was like, holy crap, this hurts really bad. That first time I cried, it was very painful. It has gotten better because I've gotten more used to it, but I will say that the pain is still there. So it's kind of like anything in life. You learn to adjust, you learn to overcome it. I just tell myself that this isn't going to control me. I need to take this because I want to have a baby. And so when I take my injection, what goes through my head is, you're doing this to have a baby. And I also focus on my breathing. My husband gives me the injection, and so together we have a plan. We work together. He tells me, hey, I've got the needle in. This is how far I've gone. Just a little bit more, and he helps walk me through it. So I just say all this to say, your first injection might be real painful, but it's a treatment that works really well for a lot of people, and it's worth it for the benefit of the medication. Because now when I get pregnant, I know I'm safely being treated, and it's going to be safe for me and my baby. So that in itself is a big win. So there's my Cimzia journey. Go to my page to see some of my tips and tricks on how you can make Cimzia not such a bad injection and make Cimzia not hurt so much. Like I use ice packs, I use lidocaine cream, stuff like that. So that can kind of help you learn how to navigate your injection. Thank you for watching my video. If you're a fellow RA warrior, kudos to you. Life is not easy for us, but we always keep going. And people may look healthy, but just remember, behind the scenes, you don't know what people are dealing with physically or emotionally. So always be kind to others. If you like my channel, like my journey where I'm at right now as a young married woman wanting to have a family, would love for you to subscribe and comment on this video if you take Cimzia and what your experience has been like. Thank you all for letting me update you today, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.